What is amazing or miraculous about Shin Buddhism is that when you say Namu Amidabutsu, you put your faith into Amida to save you, everything will be taken care of. Because the Amida represents the way of nature, and we are born as human, not perfect, basically kicked out of Garden of Eden, although they don't say it, Garden of Eden. In Shin Buddhism, the Garden of Eden represents the nature's way as it is. So basically go back to nature, appreciating the law of nature in Amida by saying Namu Amidabutsu. So you just go there, you just received as you are with